just that camaraderie you build, and whether it's partners, head office staff, people you don't see very often, you start to meet them face to face, you build relationships. It's just a great fun thing to do, but at the same time you're doing something that makes a difference as well, so you win twice almost.
Sense of community is a massive thing in St James's Place, and since the business was started, giving back to our local communities has always been at the heart of so much of what the company is about.
The school is in central Bristol, in Easton. It is in quite a high deprived area. A lot of the children that come to school are in receipt of free school meals. They are EAL children, so we have quite a diverse range within school, so a lot of our children have English as an additional language, so work in the classroom can be sometimes quite difficult for them, but the spaces outside give them the opportunities to develop their speech and language and their communication skills with each other. They have such potential to change the lives of children in school, whether it's coming in and reading, whether it's coming in and building something, whether it's donating. They have real potential to change the lives of schools.